Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2017 Triumph Bonneville Bobber. This bike is mint, 192 miles. It's got a lot of upgrades, beautiful metallic brown color. It's got changed out to brown grips, LED turn signals. Only 192 miles. This is a 1200cc 6-speed. It's got the bobber Triumph fender. I mean, this bike is gorgeous. It's got the little side bag. 192 miles. Come by, check it out. Make your bobber dreams come true for just $10,499. This one is not going to last. It has monster curb appeal. Beautiful machine. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock.